Hello friends, this is Utility Tech and this is the second and final video on the restoration project of a very old TVS Gold keyboard. As you can see, I have desoldered all the switches. The whole process was quite tedious and time consuming. Since the PCB was very old, I had to be extra careful while desoldering. Initially, my intention was not to remove the switches. I felt a thorough cleaning would restore the keyboard. But the switches were in an extremely bad state. Many in India would know that the TVS Gold keyboards have original Cherry MX blue switches, and here is a close-up view of the same for the non-believers. As you can see, there is a lot of dust inside the switches. Furthermore, because of the heavy usage of nearly 1.5 decade, the switches had lost all their tactility and clickiness. Their lifespan had ended and no amount of cleaning would have helped. In fact, I picked up the keyboard from a discarded pile. I decided to replace them with the Gateron blue switches. This was done for two reasons. First, I already have a Zebronics Max Pro keyboard with Outemu blue, and the TVS keyboards anyway come with cherry blue. I wanted to try out a new switch. Second reason being, I had read a lot of positive reviews about these switches and I wanted to experience it for myself. With that preamble, let's jump forward with the actual Gateron switches being inserted into the mounting plate. Notice that the mounting plate is made up of plastic. I will be doing a in-depth review of the keyboard at the end of this session. Welcome back friends. As you can see, my TVS Gold keyboard is up and running on Gateron blue switches. The keyboard is quite old, as is evident from the yellowing of the plastic. It must have been manufactured before 1998. The reason being, this sticker says it is been designed for Windows 95. So even if it were manufactured after 95, it must be before 1998 because in 1998 a new version of Windows was launched by Microsoft. The keyboard as well as the mounting plate is made up of plastic. Therefore, the construction of this keyboard is quite weak and also it is light. The keyboard flexes under pressure. At the back of the keyboard, we have two flip out feet. They have no rubber padding. These are the two slots where the rubber pads went. As you can see, it has been lost. Therefore, this keyboard can slip while typing vigorously. This small window is for converting AT to XT protocol, but in the present keyboard there is nothing. Therefore, the cases must have been designed for an older keyboard. The keyboard connects to the computer via a 5-pin DIN connector. The keycaps are made of ABS plastic and they are double shot. It means that the lettering does not wear off so easily, as is clear from these very old keycaps. Let's now look into the further details of the keyboard. As you can see on the right hand corner, you have three LED lights, one for the caps lock, one for the num lock and for the scroll lock. In what follows, I will be giving you a typing demonstration of this particular keyboard.